Hello everyone, Habib here. In this video I will show you how to install macOS on your PC using virtual workstation, VMware workstation. Like this one, this is my virtual macOS. I have installed the Monterey version of the macOS, and the newer version was, what was the name? I forgot. Yeah, let me log in, and this way we can have a fully functional macOS system. And for example, in my case, I can install XCode so I can develop iOS apps using my PC. You can see everything is working fine, and it depends on your PC, the configuration, how fast your PC is. The faster your PC will be better for the virtual machine. And my PC is a little bit slow, so it takes some time to load the OS. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install your own macOS virtual machine using VMware. And yeah. Let me show you my let me open you this about this Mac menu. Yeah, it is a bit slower in my PC. If you have better PC, your virtual Mac will be more better than this. The display, storage, yeah, it is slow in my PC. So okay guys, enough introducing. Let me show you how to install it. I'm going to reinstall, or I'm going to install a new OS, a new virtual machine, and this one is Monterey. I will install another version that I have, which is Catalina, I think. I will show you step by step how to do it. Let me shut it down so I can show you what we should do to install it. First of all, we need virtual machine workstation, VMware workstation. You need to install VMware. Just go to its website, VMware workstation, and you go and just download the workstation player, VMware workstation player free. I think this one. Yes, this one, I think. Just download it, and after downloading the VMware, because by default you cannot install macOS in it, you need something else, which is unlocker, VMware unlocker. You need to download VMware unlocker from GitHub, this one. I will share with you the links of these things. For example, this unlocker, you need to download the unlocker. Go to download it here, code, download zip. After downloading it, you will see something like this. You need to unzip it to extract the content, and this is the unlocker file, the program, unlocker program. You need to patch your VMware before installing it. You just need to click this patch button and done. Then you will have your VMware ready. So if you have VMware already, you go to create a new virtual machine, and then just choose this typical, next, and here you need to choose the installer disk. Oh yeah, the next thing that you need to do, the most important thing that you need to do is to download the ISO file. You need to download the ISO file of the macOS itself. I have the torrent file here. You need to go to download any version that you like. For example, I have this two, Ventura. I've downloaded it, and also I have Monterey that I'm using it right now. Now I also have Catalina. Let me open my this is my Catalina ISO file. It is here. So you need to download the ISO file, the disk image, and then here you need to specify the path of the ISO. For example, Catalina. Okay, then we click next. When you are successfully patched after you successfully patch the VMware, you will see Apple macOS X option here. If you did not patch it, if you did not unlock it, you will not see this option. So you need to go to run this unlocker first and then run the VMware. Now we have it here. Just click next, and we specify the location of virtual machine in our computer. I will place it somewhere, maybe in this drive, because it has a lot of space. I place it on drive G. I will make a folder, Catalina, virtual Catalina. Then click OK, and we click next. Here we need to specify the virtual disk amount of the computer that we are going to make. Maybe we set it to 80 GB, 80 gigabytes, and I choose this one to make it a single file. Click next, and now we click finish. Okay, I think we are ready to start the virtual machine to begin the Catalina installation process. We click the start button and wait for a minute. I will just skip this loading and go back to you later. Yeah, we are almost there. It will start the installation dialog, so we can begin the installation process of the Catalina. Alright guys, a gray screen is appearing here and we are waiting for the dialog to be displayed here. It is taking a few minutes. Maybe it depends on our computer. As I said, my computer is a bit slow. Okay, now we can choose the language of the installation. We choose English and click next. Yeah. Examining volumes. Here we need to go to disk utility first. Click continue. Here we have this VMware virtual SATA here. We need to right click on it, click erase and just give it a name. My disk. Click erase. Okay, done. Now we are ready to install the Catalina. Click this one, click continue and just follow the wizard or dialog. Just click next and next until you have your Catalina installed. Click continue and then just click agree. Choose the disk, install, and that's all. The installation progress is running, and I will stop my video, I will stop my recording and go back to you when it is completely installed later. Then we see this dialog. We can choose our location. We choose I will choose Indonesia and continue. Language, input source, dictation. Just click continue. Data and privacy. Just click continue again. And don't choose this one. I will use this one. Don't transfer any information. And then Apple ID. Just continue, go on and follow this wizard, and you will see your macOS will be installed in your PC. Okay guys, that's all, and all the installation process is done. Here we are, we have our macOS installed here in our virtual machine. It depends on your computer speed. If your computer is better than mine, you will see it very nice in your desktop. The next thing that we usually need here is to install the this one. You have a button here, I finished installing. We need to install VMware tool in this virtual machine so we can have the full screen support of the virtual machine. Right now we can only have this squares or 4x3 size of computer or display here. If you switch to full screen, it's still like this, and we can have nice and better display if we install the VMware tool. Just click this button and wait for a minute, or if nothing happens, just go to this menu VM, then click install VMware tools. Okay, you see this installation dialog appears. Click this install VMware tools, double click it, and then you will see installation dialog like this. Click continue and continue. Just click install, continue installation, and enter your password. Okay, here you need to open security preferences. Then you need to go to allow VMware to do something in your computer. Here we need to allow it because it is disabled here. We need to click this padlock icon, enter our password, then click unlock, then here we need to allow it, allow, and that's all. Now we can lock it again. Okay, and close it. Just wait for the installation to finish. Alright, the installation process of VMware tool is completed and we are prompted to restart the computer to finish it. Okay, and here we are. Looks like the VMware tools are installed correctly. Now we have the display in full screen like this, high resolution, and it is very nice. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video, and let me show you the full screen feature here and the full screen mode. And now we have it completely in full screen. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and see you soon on my next videos.